everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Cassandra. Today I am doing an unboxing of Boxycharm add-on for the month of June. So if you want to see exactly what I purchased from the add-on store for the month of June, please continue to watch. Okay, we are back, and it came in a brown zipper box. Got my address and stuff up top. I didn't get these many items due to the hard time I got from the Boxy pop-up in May, so I made sure I didn't get that much for June. And this is what the box looks like. Okay, what did I get? The first thing I got was some lashes from the House of Lashes, and this is Knockout. Gorgeous. And the next thing that's in this box is I got Too Faced lip gloss, and this one is in the color Pretty Penny. This is Pretty Penny. Y'all don't talk about my nails. Y'all know it's hard, these nails. And I got Stocks and Bondage. And that's what this one look like. Okay. And the next thing in here I got was two Dominique Cosmetics glosses, and this one is Strawberry Lemonade, which I think I already got this one, so I think I'll give this to my grandbaby. Strawberry Lemonade. And I have Peach Tea. And this is what Peach Tea looks like. See, y'all can see that. Yeah. Okay. The next thing I purchased was Hourglass highlighter stick, and I got this one in Champagne Flash. This is the packaging. Gorgeous packaging. And this is what it looks like. Yeah, I know I don't like the swatch. I do not swatch. Okay. And I also got it in Gold Flash. So I got Champagne Flash and Gold Flash. And that's what this one looks like. Let me see. I'll take both of them. Put them side by side. One is gold, one is champagne. The next thing I got was the Tart Base Tape Hydrating Primer, and this is what it looks like. Okay. Got 3 more things in here. See, I didn't do bad. I told you I wasn't going to get that much. Okay. I also got Peach and Lily, the Good Acid Pore Toner. And this is what it looks like. I already got that, but I got it again to give to my grandbaby. Okay. And it does have a safety lock on it, so which is good. The next thing I got is from Farmacy. This is the honey potion. And this is what it looks like. And I like it because it got a spatula in it. Like it. Okay. And the last thing I got is 111 Skin Anti-Blemish Biocellulite Facial Mask. And in this one you get a total of 5 facial masks. Okay? And that's it. That's all I got for the June add-on from Boxycharm. So comment in the bottom section of this video and let me know if you get any add-ons for the month of June from Boxycharm. And if you did, what did you get? Did you get any of the products that I had? And I will let you all know in the description section how much the original price for each one of these products, and also how much I paid for it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.